every supermarket, mini-mart, and convenience store owners around the world. Raise your hand if you bought cheap shelves that bend, warp, or wobble just a short time after putting them in your shop. Data tell us that 90% of first-time shop owners fall for one or more low-quality shelf scams from untrustworthy suppliers. Today we'll expose 3 most common traps you must avoid when purchasing steel display racks. The first and most widespread trick is take a steel thickness labeling. Let's clarify the real industry standard for reference. For a small convenience store, your shelf steel should be at least 0.5 to 0.5 millimeters thick. If you run a large supermarket or high market stocks that heavy goods, you need racks with 0.6 to 0.7 millimeters minimum steel thickness. Many sellers advertise thick material but deliver thin steel plates to cut costs, which makes your shelf spend easily under daily goods weight. Second trap is improper assembly design that causes unstable racks. 2 typical issues you need to check: unlocked support brackets that make the whole shelf tilt sideways, and unadjustable, uneven base fit that lead to constant wobbling. Qualified factory racks come with tight lock system and multi-level adjustable fit to keep the unit stable or any floor surface. Third, suppliers cut corners on low-bearing reinforcement ribs. Every standard shelf layer requires 2 reinforcing ribs to support heavy drinks, snacks, and daily supplies. Shelving manufacturers only install 1 rib to save raw material costs. Without the double ribs, the board will sag and deform quickly under weight, risking good collapse. Now ask yourself, have you encountered any of these 3 shelf scams during your store renovation? We are professional shelving manufacturer with 30 years of stable production experience. All your racks strictly follow the full qualified thickness and double rib standards. Drop your store type and shelf area in the comment section below. We will send you our complete free shelf selection guide and factory wholesale price list. We ship retail display racks worldwide. Click the link in our bio to browse all shelf styles. Thank you for watching.